Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've got the all-new Crosstrek S here for you guys to look at. It's a quick sneak peek at the Australian delivered models. This is to replace the XV, and although it looks very similar, it has been completely revamped. It does, however, still have the 2-litre 115 kilowatt engine. Just a quick look around. Front end's been completely revamped. You can see the whole grille design is all different. Wheels, I'd say very similar design to how they used to be. Got blacked out side mirrors, different looking crossbars, rear end, nice and beautiful. Having a look at the back, boot space is pretty much identical. It does have these little cup holder things on the side, however. Doesn't have a full size spare wheel, but it's not those little ones. It seems like a proper tire. Not a proper alloy though, just a steel wheel. Seats fold, of course, flat. You've got your curtain here. Stand back a bit so you can see. Yeah, let's take a look inside. Being the S model, this does have the leather seats. Looks nice, nice finishing. Come with the Harman Kardon sound system, first time in the Subaru XVs, or the Crosstrek should I say, over here. Start of the car. First thing you'll notice when you get inside this car, guys, it does now have the 11.6 inch display here. Now this is standardized with the new models, basically same thing you get in the WRXs, which started off in the Subaru Outbacks. Wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and first in Subaru we've got the wireless charge pad here. First time they've incorporated that into the Subarus. You've got the USB 3.0, the USB-C cable, and you've got the fast charge 2.5 normal USB there with auxiliary cable. Heated seats. Also completely new, first time in Subaru, they've got the aerial view. It's pretty cool. Cycle through different cameras, and I think that's probably one of the best features they've got in this car. Facial recognition as well, standard. New eyesight system. Dash is similar, they haven't gone full digital on these just yet. There's a 12-volt power outlet here, plenty of space in the center console, and seats at the back. I'd say the room is very similar. They do now have a USBs on the side and the back here. However, still no air vents at the back. But yeah, guys, just a quick sneak peek. We will be having a full review on this car very soon, and stay tuned. Cheers.